Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Mrs. Puff from SpongeBob SquarePants. So let's get started. To draw this cute puffer fish, let's first start by drawing her mouth. So I'm going to come right here and we're going to draw a big curve, kind of like oval, and we're going to bring it all the way back to about right here. Just come right back. So we're not finishing the oval. And then from there, we're going to come to the bottom and we're going to draw a smaller curve right here for the bottom lip. And let's come back right here and I'm going to cap off the smile right there. And then for the lips, it's a heart basically. So about in this area, I'm going to draw the top of our heart. And then at the bottom, I'm going to come in and draw the bottom. There. Then let's draw her eyes. So I'm going to come right here in this area right here and I'm going to draw a big oval, slightly at a slant. And I'm going to come right next to it, right here, and draw another oval. There, so I got these two huge ovals, and let's come inside and draw another oval right in the center. And I'm going to give it a highlight, so I'm going to put a circle right here and then shade everything else in. And same thing over here. There. And then let's give her some lashes. So on the top right here, I'm going to put in 3 lashes. Just sticking it up. Center one and then 2 on the sides. And now let's draw her hair. So I'm going to come above her eyes and I'm going to start maybe like about the center of this eye right here, right on top. And I'm going to draw 1 curve, 2 curves, and another bigger one that comes out past her eye, and then I'm going to curve in. So I just want to make sure these 3 curves are past her eye. And then I'm going to come right here, smaller one, and I'm going to curve outwards to bring in this strand right here close to her eye. So about the center of her eye. And out. Then let's continue this top part. So I'm going to put in 1 more strand and come right back up. So if you're using a pencil, definitely just finish this curve. But I'm going to stop right here, about in this area, and I'm going to draw a curve for where her hat is. So right in here, I'm going to put in a curve and then her hat. So 2 angles connected with a curve and then another curve on the top. Then we can just go ahead and finish her hair, whatever space you have left, and bring it right back in. From there, let's start to draw her body. So I'm going to come right here in this area, and I'm going to start to draw a big curve. So say about right here. Just creating this egg shape, and I'm going to bring this down. So it's going to get a little bit wider as I come down. And same thing over here. So just going back and forth to make sure. And let's see here, just a little bit more. But right there I'll stop, and I'm going to stop right here to create a sharper curve for her fin. Right there, where her arms would be. And let's bring this down. So then about in this area, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve right across, all the way across. There. So now we've separated her head from her body. From there, let's come into this area, about right here. Just kind of imagining if this was the center, it's at a curve. I'm going to come about right here and draw her bow. So just put in a half circle, the loops for her bow, and then the tail right here. Just going to draw this tail that comes down on both sides. And now let's continue. Let's go ahead and draw her fin. So nice big fin. It's gonna come down. Let's say about right there. And connect. There. And so we're gonna draw another level. So let's bring this down. And about right here, I'm gonna follow my top curve. And up. There. So then from there we can go ahead and start her skirt. So I'm going to pop them out right here and just pop out a curve, and we're just going to go wiggle our way across. Nice big curves, and we're going to bring it all the way back about right here and in. So just imagine the other side being overlapped by the fin. And then at the bottom, we're going to just imagine this is her bottom. So about right here, go ahead and give her a little bottom right there, just to finish her off. And then let's draw her feet. So about right here, I'm gonna go ahead and come in with a curve and another curve. I'm gonna cut it off at an angle and then draw her feet. Draw her shoes. So we're just gonna curve it out. I don't know why they remind me of a cashew, but out with an angle, come in, and then connect. So same thing over here, about right here. Curve, curve, and connect right there, and then her shoe just like the other side. There. And of course we need to draw her other hand. So about right here, I'm going to go ahead and pop out. I'm going to try to make it about the same size as the other one. Come down and connect. There. And so then let's put in some details. I'm going to come right here and draw lightly 3 curves. The center one's maybe a little bit longer. Or you can do this when you're coloring so that it doesn't have to be black. It could just be like that darker aqua color. Just want to show you some details that you could put. So same thing in here. You could just use the darker aqua color instead of the black marker. And let's see, we can put in, of course, because she's a puffer fish, we need to put in some spikes. So 3 and then some here. 2 and 3, and she has some markings on her, and we definitely want to do that when we're coloring so we don't have a harsh black line around it. But it's about right here with some shadow and some ovals right here. And that is pretty much it for Mrs. Puff here from SpongeBob SquarePants. I really hope that I made this fun and easy for you to follow along with me, and that I've inspired you to draw it too. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.